Imagine you're a project manager, a student, or simply someone trying to organize your life. Trello, with its intuitive boards and cards, is a fantastic tool. But what if you could unlock its full potential without spending a dime? That's right, we're talking about getting Trello Premium for free. Have you ever wished there were a secret, a hidden path to bypass the paid subscription? Well, I'm here to tell you there might be. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand what Trello Premium offers. It's like upgrading from a basic car to a luxury sedan. You get more power, more features, and a smoother ride. Think unlimited boards, advanced search, custom backgrounds, and more. The free trial. The most straightforward way to experience Trello Premium without paying is to take advantage of their free trial. It's a limited-time opportunity to test drive the premium features. However, remember to cancel before the trial ends to avoid automatic subscription. Educational discounts. If you're a student or educator, Trello offers educational discounts. This is a great way to save money while using a tool that can enhance your academic or professional life. Look for specific requirements and verification processes on Trello's website. Refer a friend programs. Many online services, including Trello, have refer a friend programs. By inviting your friends to join Trello, you can often earn rewards, including free months of premium. It's a win-win situation. You get benefits, and your friends get a great tool. Contests and giveaways. Keep an eye out for Trello-related contests and giveaways on social media and online forums. These events often offer premium subscriptions as prizes. It might take a bit of luck, but it's definitely worth a shot. Third-party deals. Sometimes, third-party websites and services offer deals or bundles that include Trello Premium. These can be a great way to save money, especially if you're looking for other tools or services as well. Ethical considerations. While there might be tempting shortcuts or hacks to get Trello Premium for free, it's important to consider ethical implications. Avoid methods that violate Trello's terms of service or compromise the security of your account or others. Getting Trello Premium for free might require a bit of patience and effort, but it's definitely possible. By exploring options like free trials, educational discounts, refer a friend programs, and contests, you can unlock the full potential of this powerful tool without breaking the bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.